Now students, see, this is page number 41. He looked at the young girl who had interceded for him. Interceded means to take the side of the red trap. To take the side of the red trap means उसकी तरफ हो जाना. किसकी तरफ? Red trap peddler की तरफ. Why had she done it? What could the crazy idea be? Now he is in a confusion. Okay, the red trap peddler is in a confusion that he don't know. Okay, he doesn't know why she is doing this. Okay, why she is doing this, he doesn't know. Now see here, students. After that Christmas Eve at Ramzo passed just as it always had. The stranger did not cause any trouble because he did nothing but sleep. Okay, here after finishing the Christmas Eve, okay, after finishing the Christmas Eve, here the stranger didn't, okay, the stranger didn't give any trouble to anybody, okay, because he is here to sleep only, to rest here only, okay, the whole afternoon, okay, or forenoon, we can say forenoon means before 12, okay, and afternoon means after 12, okay. So the meaning of forenoon means before 12 o'clock. The whole forenoon he lay on the sofa in one of the guest room and slept on one stretch. At noon they woke him up so that he could have his share of the good Christmas fare. Here the meaning of fare means food, okay. सो यहाँ पर वह 12 से पहले, मतलब 12 बजे से पहले सोया रहता है, आराम करता है, और उसके बाद में ना, उसके बाद में just the daughter of the iron master is waking him, okay, just he is waking him and tell him to take some food, okay, after a long rest. See here, it seemed as though for many years he had not been able to sleep as quietly and safely as here at Ramzo. After seeing him sleeping, that she declared that after seeing him sleeping, okay, she declared that uh, he is not getting, okay, I think he is not getting chance to sleep so quietly and safely, okay, us here at Ramzo. Now see student, the next page means next paragraph. In the evening, when the Christmas tree was lighted, they woke him up again, and he stood for a while in the drawing room, blinking as though the candlelight hurt him. But after that, he disappeared again. 2 hours later, he was aroused once more. He then had to go down into the dining room and eat the Christmas fish and porridge. See here, okay, when the time came, okay, when all are gathering in a one place, okay, for Christmas tree lighted, okay, and यहाँ पर जो है, जैसे ही क्रिसमस ट्री लाइटेड होती है, यहाँ पर सभी जो है उसे उठाते हैं, और उठाने के साथ साथ यहाँ पर वह क्रिसमस की लाइट्स को देखकर और क्रिसमस की कैंडल लाइट्स को देखकर, जैसे ही उसको थोड़ा सा हर्टिंग होता है, यहाँ से वो थोड़ा सा दूसरी जगह चला जाता है और वापस से वो वहाँ पर आता है. देन ही हैड टू गो डाउन, ओके, फॉर ईटिंग समथिंग, ओके, फॉर ईटिंग फिश एंड पोरिज, ओके, फॉर ईटिंग फिश एंड पोरिज ही इज गोइंग डाउन एंड ईट हिमसेल्फ. As soon as they got up from the table, he went round to each one present and said thank you and good night. Okay. Now, after finishing his lunch, he is going to everybody. Okay, he is going to close to everybody and said thank you to each and everyone and good night also. Okay, but when he came to the young girl, she gave him to understand that it was her father's intention that the suit which he wore was to be a Christmas present. Now she is declaring that when he comes to near the daughter, she declared that the coat which he was wearing is gifted by her father. Okay, she declared that. Now see, he did not have to return it, and if he wanted to spend next Christmas Eve in a place where he could rest in peace and be sure that no evil would befall him, he would be welcome back again, the man with the red trap. Also, she is promising, okay, and she is declaring one thing also, that if he wants to stay on the next Christmas, okay, or he wants to celebrate the Christmas on the next occasion or on the next date, okay, or on the next December, he will be welcome. Okay, he will be welcome here and can come here and can celebrate with us. See here, student, in the next line. The man with the red trap did not answer anything to this. He only stared at the young girl in boundless amazement. The next morning, the ironmaster and his daughter got up in a good season to go to the early Christmas service. Their guest was still asleep and they did not disturb him. When at about 10 o'clock they drove back from the church, the young girl sat and hung her head even more. See here. विन द नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग, ओके, नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग में यहाँ पर जैसे ही आयरन मास्टर उसकी जो डॉटर है वो यहाँ पर अपना नया सेशन स्टार्ट करते हैं, मीन्स नई सर्विस जो क्रिसमस सर्विस है वो यहाँ पर जो सीज़न है टू गो टू द अर्ली क्रिसमस सर्विस के लिए जाते हैं वो. देयर गेस्ट वॉज स्टिल अस्लीप. यहाँ पर जो रेड ट्रैप सेलर है, जो कि रेड ट्रैप पेडलर जो है वो अभी भी सोया हुआ है और वे उसे डिस्टर्ब नहीं करना चाहते हैं. दे डोंट वॉन्ट टू डिस्टर्ब हिम. वेन एट अबाउट 10 o'clock, ओके, दे ड्रो बैक फ्रॉम द चर्च. ओके, वेन दे मूव टू द चर्च, यहाँ पर वो चर्च गए हुए थे और वापस से जब वो चर्च की तरफ से वापस आते हैं, द यंग गर्ल सेट एंड हंग हर हेड इवन मोर. सेट एंड हंग मीन्स हियर, सी हियर, सेट एंड हंग हर हेड का मीन्स यहाँ पर जो है वो जो गर्ल जो है, जो डॉटर जो है वो कुछ थिंकिंग में है. ओके, कुछ उसे बुरा लगा है, शायद वो कुछ थिंकिंग में है. अब देखते हैं वो क्या चीज़ के लिए थिंकिंग कर रही है. नाउ सी इन द नेक्स्ट पेज.